Trees provide oxygen and limit carbon in the atmosphere. They reduce air pollution, provide food and shelter for wildlife, minimize erosion, and maintain healthy soil, increase rainfall, and absorb sunlight as energy. Simply, trees are an essential component of life on Earth. Trees are also the oldest and largest organisms on the planet. There are bristlecone pines that are over 5,000 years old, and giant sequoia trees with a volume of almost 1,500 cubic meters. Trees cover 31% of the Earth's land surface, over 4 billion hectares.